In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically transfer completed tasks to a completed list in Trello. If you're someone who uses Trello to manage projects, you know how important it is to keep your boards organized. By setting up an automation rule, you can save time and streamline your workflow by having completed tasks move to a designated list automatically. This simple setup ensures your board stays tidy and that your focus remains on the tasks that need your attention. First, let's start by opening the automation settings. At the top right corner of your Trello board, look for the lightning bolt icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the automation menu, where you can manage and create rules that help you automate repetitive tasks. Once the automation menu is open, navigate to the section labeled Rules. This is where you'll be able to create a new automation rule. Click on the button that says Create Automation to get started. Now you'll need to choose a trigger for your automation. In this case, we want the trigger to activate when a card is marked as complete. To do this, look for the option under the Card Changes section that says when the card is marked as complete. Select this option as your trigger. Next, add the trigger to your rule by clicking the plus button next to it. This ensures that Trello knows when to start the automation process. With your trigger in place, it's time to set up the action. Navigate to the Move section under the Actions category. Here, you'll find an option labeled Move the Card to List. Select this action to specify what happens when the trigger condition is met. Once you've selected the Move the Card to List action, you'll see a text field appear. Type in the word Completed to designate the destination list where you want your finished tasks to go. This tells Trello exactly where to move the cards, once they are marked as complete. After entering Completed as the destination, confirm the action by clicking the plus button next to it. This step ensures that the action is added and connected to your rule. Now that both the trigger and action are set up, it's time to save your automation rule. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This will finalize your rule and make it active on your board. Finally, it's time to test the automation to make sure everything is working as it should. Go to your Trello board and mark one of your tasks as complete. If the rule was created successfully, you'll see the task automatically move to the completed list. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your workflow today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.